So we've done quite a bit of work with different collection items in Java. So we've looked at lists and queues and stacks. There's other things though that are out there as well. And so I'm going to recommend, or actually assign you to look at a website called javatpoint.com/collections-in-java. And then it's going to give you a bunch of tutorials, explanations of things that we haven't had chances to look at yet. So there is a nice index here on the left side of the page that shows all of the different collection classes that are in Java. Finally, at the bottom, there's a quiz. And so let's go down to the quiz part. And when you're finished reading all of the tutorials, it looks like we have 15 questions. So the last part of the assignment here is to go to the website that I just showed you, review the tutorials, and then complete the collection quiz at the end. So take a screenshot when you're done and show me that you're smarter now on collections than you were before.